In the heart of Maplewood, an unexpected discovery awaited. The allure of the unknown beckoned her forward, guiding her hand towards the key to secrets untold. With one bold step, she entered a realm where love withered away, swallowed by the ominous shadows. The crystal pulsed with dormant power, promising to reignite the faded flames of affection within the dark realm. Trials of darkness tested her resolve, yet her spirit burned bright with the fire of unwavering resolve. The choice lay heavy on her heart, a decision that could bind her to the shadows for eternity or illuminate the path to redemption. Whispers of temptation surrounded her, weaving a web of doubt as unseen malevolence lurked in the darkness. The weight of sacrifice settled upon her shoulders, a burden borne for the promise of restoring light to a world consumed by shadows. With selfless sacrifice, the shadows receded, unveiling a tapestry of love woven from acts of kindness and benevolence. The journey of a young heart touched by shadows ended at the dawn of a new day, carrying the light of empathy to share with the world.